Shh. I hear you. Okay, now you start.
I
Love.
you. Oh.
See? I said love. Okay, now me first.
Okay. Love.
You. You see what I mean? It changes every time.
You are so smart.
Come on, Romeo. We're late.
Let's go, Buzz, says Thomas. There they are, says Thomas. That way, says Thomas.
Come on, everybody. Come on. Bring it. Let's. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, that's it. No more bets. Come on. Right here. Well, Stretch takes the round. Okay, minimum bet 5 Monopoly. Coyotes Wild. Change to 2 double A's. Hey, what do you guys think of the new recruits? Any keepers?
Out, please.
Landfill.
Cowgirl? Dinosaur?
Toddler fodder.
But that space guy, he could be useful.
He ain't the sharpest knife in the place where they keep the knives.
Neither are you, chunk. You got a little key for yourself, didn't you, cat?
Hey, lay off, Twitch. Barbie's different.
Oh, Mr. Softy over here.
What do you expect from a girl's toy?
I'm not a girl's toy. I'm not. Why do you guys keep saying that?
All them toys are disposable. We'll be lucky if they last us a week.
Big baby, what are you doing in our way? Asked Thomas. Thomas was cross.
Well, looky who we have here.
We are not here, yells Thomas crossly. Thomas was cross.
Let me go!
Hey, let go of Buzz, yells Thomas crossly. Thomas was cross.
Take him to the library.
No, yells Thomas. Thomas was very cross.
Unhand me, you cowards! I demand to talk to Lotso!
You release Buzz immediately, or I'm going to get everyone out of here immediately, yells Thomas. I'm going to tell you this right now, yells Thomas crossly.
Zip it, Buck Rogers.
No, yells Thomas crossly. I think I should teach you a lesson that way, Ken, says Thomas crossly. Thomas was very cross at Ken. And he was.
You don't talk to Lotso till we say you can.
Oh, yes, I will, said Thomas. Thomas got even crosser than ever.
Ken? What's going on here? Why is this toy tied up?
He got out, Lotso.
No, I came here to get Buzz Lightyear out. And the other toys to get out because I came by to get those guys out of Sunnyside, says Thomas. Because they're Andy's toys and they're here with me. And I'm coming by, says Thomas. Thomas was very cross.
So,
Got out? Oh, no. This isn't how we treat our guests. F.A.O. my Schwartz. There you go. I'm so sorry.
Lotso, there's been a mistake.
Yes, there is a mistake, says Thomas. There is. Andy's toys are trapped because they are trapped from this, says Thomas.
A mistake?
The children in the caterpillar room are not age appropriate for me and my friends.
Yes, because the caterpillar room is inappropriate, says Thomas.
We respectfully request a transfer to the butterfly room.
Yes, says Thomas. That's a rude thing to do, and I'm getting out of here with the others, says Thomas.
Well, request granted.
No, says Thomas. I don't think so.
That's all. Hush now, Kenneth. This toy's shown initiative, leadership. Well, I'd say we found ourselves a keeper. Hear that, everyone?
No, says Thomas. I don't think so. Thomas was very cross. He didn't want to hear those toy thieves after all, to hear what's going on.
We got a keeper. We're calling you up to the big league, son. From now on, you'll have anything you want.
Excellent. I'll go get my friend.
Says Thomas. I'm going with Buzz and I'm getting the others to take them home with me, says Thomas. Thomas wasn't happy.
Whoa, hold on there, boss. Those caterpillar kids need someone to play with. But
No, says Thomas. I don't think so. Because the caterpillar room is inappropriate and that sucks, says Thomas.
My friends don't belong there.
No, says Thomas. I came by and I'm getting them out, says Thomas.
oh, none of us do. I agree, which is why, for the good of our community, we ask the newer toys, the stronger ones, to take on the hardships the rest of us can't bear anymore.
Well, I guess that makes sense. But I can't accept.
See, I told you, says Thomas, and I'm not going to allow this. So I'm taking Buzz and the others, and I'm going back with them to get back to Andy. And that's it, says Thomas. Thomas didn't look happy at the Thieve toys and Lotso.
We're a family. We stay together.
It's true. I came by, and I'm taking them home, says Thomas.
Family man, huh? I understand. Put him back in the timeout chair.
No, says Thomas. I'm going to teach you all a lesson about this, says Thomas. Thomas didn't want to hear what was going on about this.
Bring in the bookworm.
Never, says Thomas. I'm going to teach you all. My bookworm is this. I'm going to trick you. Is from the English Buzz to Spanish Buzz. That'll trick you, says Thomas.
It's not my fault.
Bitácora espacial. Me he despertado del hipersueño en un planeta extraño.
Now what did you do?
I just did what you told me.
Estoy rodeado por criaturas extrañas y desconozco sus intenciones. ¿Quién anda ahí? ¿Amigo o enemigo?
Amigos. We're all amigos.
Me debo de haber estrellado y se me ha borrado la memoria. ¿Han visto mi nave espacial?
We gotta switch him back.
See, that's what you got in Thieve toys, and you too, Lotso, says Thomas.
Well, how do we do that?
I don't know. That part's in Spanish.
We don't have time for this. Come on, El Buzzo.
¿Mi nave? ¿La encontraste? ¡Excelente!